Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Tap to Show feature in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to disable it. First of all, we need to access Settings. Then in Settings we are looking for Home and Lock Screen. Next, in the lock screen we need to tap Sleep Display. Then in the sleep display we have Wake Inactive Interactive Display, and here it is, Tap to Show. What does this option do? Tap the display to show an interactive sleep display. So to turn it off we simply tap it once. It's a simple on or off switch. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.